Good morning, this is Trevor. Today we're working on another cross-site scripting lab in Portswigger's Web Security Academy. This time it's a reflected XSS into JavaScript string with a single quote and a backslash escaped. Reflected vulnerability in the search query tracking functionality. So inside a JavaScript string with single quotes and backslashes escape, solved lab, breaks out of the JavaScript string and calls the alert function. All right. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if you learned anything, if you like these. All right. It said the search tracking functionality. So let's search Trevor. I like to put some unique phrase in, and that's way when I go here I can easily find that. So it says search tracking functionality, so not here. It also said we need to break out of occurs inside a JavaScript string, break out of the JavaScript string and call the alert. So it's not that one. Let's hit enter. Go. So this one. Var search term. So probably right here. It does write, but it URI encodes. So that's out. You know, this one is out right here. So it's got to be this one. And I believe it said single quotes and backslashes are escaped. So we won't be able to just single quote out of this. But what about just ending the script? So if we just ended the script early and then wrote our own console.log. Let's do it worked. I don't know if we need this ending script. Literal is not terminated before the end of the script. Ah, interesting. So it looks like we got pretty darn close. Where is the script? Ah, yeah. Oh, you know what? It's because my first script didn't end. It ended on... So I needed to start with this. And then I could do what I was trying to do. Console.log. It worked. We may have to take care of that that single quote. Let's try this. Hey, there we go. We do get an error. So let's fix that too while we're at it, just so that that error is not causing us issues. That error is, oh, it's right here. So what if, no, because the single quote's going to be escaped. What do I need to do to solve this, by the way? Calls the alert function. All right. Where's the error? Var search term. So it's got to be that or this one. What if we remove this? So script, just like we did before, we'll open up a new one and then we'll do console.log We'll do a single quote this time and then do Trevor and leave it. No, we can't do that. Well, we can do boom, 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 boom. I think. Backslash. Console. No. What did we do wrong there? I didn't want to view that one. No. Why don't you show me where in the code search terms equals, that's fine. Script, console log. That should have we can set a value. So we can just create a variable. All I'm doing is trying to incorporate the single quote into, so it doesn't mess up. So end script. We're going to start our script. We're going to write our payload, which will be alert, but for this, I'm just going to do console.log, single quote, and then let's do something like var a equals single quote a, like that. Console, dang it. Spectre, let's go to Trevor. Here, search term, script, var a, oh, that single quote that we entered is escaped. Yeah, so we're not going to be able to clean that up. How would I be able to clean that up without putting in my own single quote? I'm not going to be able to. Nope. I can't think of a good way to clean it up. So we want to minimize the damage that we do. Right now, our console log is not running because of the single quote issue. It's causing this whole script to fail. If we separate our piece from this, it will run. So script, like what we had in the beginning, console.log, it ran, and then we don't need that script. Yeah, just something like this. We still get an error, but that's after our piece. So 5643, if we go, dang it. I didn't include Trevor in that. It's somewhere in here, probably right there. But we don't care, right? Because ours ran, and that's fine. Plus, maybe right here, because of that single, no. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Let's click this. I keep saying it doesn't matter, and then I keep looking for it. Oh, it's right there. We could do... All right, I'm going to try one more time. In script, console.log, Trevor, in script, and then what if I do like that? Comment out the rest. Still get that error. End script, so I shouldn't get the error. Console. Literal, not terminated. Oh, before end of script. Okay. Sorry, that's the wrong. I'm trying to fix the wrong one. If I had just read it instead of being the assuming person. Anyway, it's this one that it's calling out. And again, I can't fix that. So now that we've played around way too much, let's go ahead and solve this one. It is JavaScript string single quote backslash escaped. Vim JavaScript. Man. String single quote string single quote backslash escaped dot py. Let's grab our template as always. We want to be able to search. Don't we have ability to search? Blog search right there. We just need our search term. Blog.search and our search term. Let's do this in payload. Equals payload. And then we do blog.isSolved. That should work. Let's go here. So our payload was this. Except for, let's do single quotes. Instead of in console log, we need alert. And let's just remove that just for funsies. I think that's it. This could have been a quick one if I was a smarter person. Single quote. Let's go here, here. Enter. There we go. Lab is solved. Boom. All right, just to let's look over what we did. So we saw that it was being injected into a script tag right here inside this string. Instead of, weren't able to, escape this string because of the single quote and backslashes. So single quote and backslashes were escaped. That's the only way that we would have been able to escape this string. And so what we did instead is ended the script. We ended it right here. Once we ended the script, we started a new script with our payload, and our payload was just the alert window. And then we ended our new script that left all of this dangling, which was interpreted as just text, which is fine. We did get one JavaScript error, and that was the single quote, the right here, this first single quote, and then when we had script, remember there. So we did get that warning, but it was not enough to prevent the rest of the JavaScript from running. Cool. We were able to execute our stuff, no problem. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this one. If you like me going deeper or you hate that and just want me to solve it. I didn't have a lot of, I'm a curious person and I like to figure things out. So it's going to be a hard habit to break if you don't like that. Anyway, hope you liked it. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.